Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance. Place your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may be seated.
Good morning, CI.
I'm Amber.
And I'm Mark, and these are news and announcements for today, November 17th. Friday will be a health fair out in the stadium. There will be a variety of booths from health services from our community for hands-on information for your overall health. It will take place second period through lunch.
Welcome to the Connecting Kids Project. Our mission is to connect kids and their families by fostering face-to-face interaction through fun activities. Please donate any new or unopened board games, teen books, and kids' toys in the athletic training room here on campus.
Upcoming events, November 18th we have the health fair, and November 21st through the 25th we have Thanksgiving break.
Supporting news.
Sporting news.
Thursday It's my part.
Oh, you got it. Go.
Thursday boys soccer at Oxnard 6 p.m. Friday's boys basketball home versus Oaks Christian at 7 p.m. and boys soccer at Pacifica at 6 p.m.
Current events. The Senate will remain in the control of the Democrats, while Republicans will take narrow control of the House of Representatives after the results of the 2022 midterm elections. The Generation Z voters turned out in record numbers in swing states.
And now
we go to Mr. Juarez.
Good morning, Raiders. Hey, so a couple announcements. Quick reminder, this Friday is the ASVAB test. So if you haven't already, register for the ASVAB test. Another reminder, we got CSUCI, got the hoodie on, coming to CI to talk about what CSUCI has to offer. We are changing the location from the library to the cafeteria because, again, you guys keep on signing up, which is a great thing, so keep it up. We're at 70, let's get to 100. 30 more, let's go. Another one, hey, thank you guys for the ones that came out on Tuesday for the first part of the BCCF scholarship workshop. We had around 95 seniors show up. I know some of you guys questioned or asked me if you guys could come on Thursday and get some extra help filling out scholarships. Yes, you can. Just stop by my office and I'll get you signed up. So Thursday, 2 to 4, library. We'll be helping you guys complete scholarships. Some of the scholarships that I have at the moment, the Wainimi School District. I know a few of you guys already walked in and got it, so I keep coming in if you went to the Wainimi School District. The other one is a nice, easy scholarship, which you guys can get it completed on Thursday if you guys show up. How has a teacher, administrator, secretary, custodian, or any other school staff member made a positive impact on your life, whether at school or in the community or at home? So easy one, you guys can all get it done on Thursday if you guys show up. So I got 2 new things. First one is this Saturday, Alpha Phi Alpha Fraternity Incorporated. They just contacted me. They're having a male youth mentoring day on Saturday here in Oxnard from 12 to 3. The best part about this is at the end of the day, you're gonna go home with a dress shirt, a tie, and a suit. Dress for success. So this is a free suit that they're gonna be providing you at the end of their mentoring program. So it's from 12 to 3. If you want to register, come see me at my office. I'll get you registered. Again, that's a free suit that they're going to be providing after their mentoring program. So this is a great event that's going to be happening this Saturday. So let me know. Another one that I just set up is the makeup industry makeup artist as a career presentation. I am the College Career Tech, so I'm putting up careers out there for you guys. Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. Their reps are going to be coming, and they're going to be talking about the proper steps in order to go into the makeup industry as a career. So they're going to be bringing their team over. They're going to be talking about the steps that they went through. They're going to help you set up a plan, because no matter what you're going to do after high school, you need to have a plan. So that's what they're going to be doing. So you'll start seeing the flyers around. If you want to come, hey, same thing, QR code, or just stop in the office and get registered. So that is Wednesday, November 30th, the week that we come back from break at 10:40. So if you guys are interested in any of these events or anything, just let me know. Cool. Thank you.
And now we go to Raider World on 1.
Hey, stop it. Don't do that. That's not how you be a raider.
Then how do you be a raider?
You must respect the CI Raiders property and become one of us and part of the community. So please, thank you. You are now a raider.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
And we are back.
Need to talk to someone, need to access some well-being, stressed out and feeling overwhelmed? Please come see us at the Rincon Wellness Center.
Check out our monthly schedule and please use the QR code on the screen.
Do you have any announcements or events you'd like to promote? Email us at
CIPictureday@gmail.com. Please send in your announcements at least 24 hours prior to the scheduled broadcast. And that is all your news and announcements for today. Bye, Raiders.